kembali lagi berjumpa dengan saya. Kita hari ini jalan-jalan guys di Stabat. Tepatnya di lapangan Stabat ini.
Lapangan Merdeka.
Lapangan Merdeka Stabat. Itu ada apa? Lambang burung Garuda. Kesana kita nanti ya. Kita hari ini jalan-jalan bareng abang-abangku dan adik-adikku, ponakanku. Corona.
Jadi ngapain?
Oh. Hey! Siram terus. Joget lah sambil joget nyiramnya. Siram terus. Oke guys, kita hari ini makan dulu ya. Nah, kita ini bersama keluarga besar.
Yeah, I roll up in the club like I'm real sly. Suit and tie on, looking like I'm real fly. See a cutie in the back, looking real nice. Thinking that she's real shy, baby, that's my real type. Walked up and said, hey, can I buy you a drink? Your eyes are nice, smiles bright, man, I can't even think. I won't lie, you're so fine, makes my heart really beat. She looked at me and said, boy, yeah, you're in for a treat. Let's go. She said, welcome to the city, where the girls are pretty, where the boys drink whiskey, enjoy getting risky. Oh, she's feeling frisky, yeah. She said, welcome to the city, where the girls are pretty, where the boys drink whiskey, enjoy getting risky. Oh, she's feeling frisky, yeah. She said, welcome to the city. She said, welcome to the city.